Hello, welcome back. Hope you're doing okay. Now, regular viewers of this channel will know that I love an oven cleaning hack, and there is a new one doing the rounds. It comes from a lady called Hayley Home Inspo on TikTok, but it's been covered all over the place this week, and it is freezing your washing up liquid. So I did that last night, put some in this little tray here, and then using it to clean really stubborn grease and stains off your oven racks. So I've got a dirty oven rack here. Now, because it's not super dirty, I've also got, as a bit of a challenge, and I haven't seen anyone do this yet, I've got an oven tray as well. So I took some fairy liquid, other brands of course are available, and froze that last night, and now I've got these ready to test. So I'm just going to pop these out, and so the theory goes, everyone says it's such a simple hack to use because there's not really any massive amount of elbow grease needed. You literally just rub it along the rack and it should immediately start to lift the dirt off. Now, obviously one thing that I'm finding already is that these, as soon as they've got the warmth of your hand on them, they do start to actually melt quite quickly. I've noticed immediately is that it's disintegrating really quickly in my hand. I didn't get long with that first cube and it's already turned into mush. It has removed some of the grease, but so far it's not like totally wowed me with its magic. I've now put a rubber glove on and I've run this under the cold water just to take the kind of temperature down a bit in the hope that the next piece will last a bit longer. So let's go for a nice big one. And I really want to pop these back in the freezer in between. Okay, let's give it another go. Quite honestly, it's still not lasting that much longer than the other one. I don't think that even with several of these, I'm going to be able to get this clean, is the honest answer. However, I'm going to give it a go on the oven tray now and just see if working over a flatter surface, it may be more effective. Okay, so I just took another one out and I'm just going to give it a rub. And immediately as well, that's kind of just gone to mash. Now, as you can see, I have managed to remove some of the dirt and some of the grease, but it's not going to be spotless. And I think it would take me quite a long time and quite a few of those to get anywhere near the results that I wanted with it. So I just had to take a few minutes out because this was going so badly, I thought maybe I was doing something wrong. So I've actually just checked that my freezer's working properly, and I've gone back to the original TikTok video to check that the cubes used in that video are turning to mush as quickly as ours were, because I thought maybe just something hadn't gone quite right, but they were. So the freezer's definitely working. The cubes are of the same consistency as are being used in the TikTok hack. This TikTok hack has been covered the world over. I mean, I'll read you just some of the headlines. So, Yahoo News, woman shares her incredible cheap hacks to speed clean oven racks. They were talking about being genius. The Daily Mail, woman reveals simple hack for cleaning greasy oven shelves using only frozen washing up liquid. Mum shares easy frozen washing up liquid to clean oven racks fuss-free. The Sun, cleaning fanatics are freezing up washing up liquid and reckon it's secret to getting dishes with baked on grime clean, and so on and so on. And they all go on. But none of these sites and newspapers, as far as I can see, have actually tested the hack. And if you go on to the actual TikTok video, so I'm just going to find it now. One thing that I did notice is that there's quite a lot of cuts. Now, I'm not suggesting there's been any foul play, but for the actual oven rack that was shown on this that had real baked on grease, you know how hard that is to actually remove. And because it's all shown quite speedily in this video, you don't know how many actual cubes were used to get to this result or how long it actually took. But I can definitely say from my experience, using one or two of the cubes, you're not going to get something as shiny clean as it's shown in here. And actually, a lot of the comments below the video do suggest that other people feel and think the same. So I'd love to see the whole process without any cuts done from start to finish to see how long it actually takes, which might be more for YouTube than for TikTok. I was hoping to show this on YouTube. All I've shown is that I can't get it to work at all. But please prove me wrong if you can, and if you've had a more successful experience. All I would say from my experience is that I have done another video. I've done a few videos on cleaning ovens, and I did one about cleaning basically the brown stains off the glass of the oven, because they're quite difficult to remove. And I also use that for cleaning oven trays and oven racks as well. And the best hack that I found for that was actually using dishwasher tablets, and that worked really, really well and didn't require that much elbow grease. And I think it's probably a lot less wasteful than having to use tons and tons of cubes of washing up liquid that do tend to mush quite quickly. The dishwasher tablets do also disintegrate as you use them, but a lot slower than the ice cubes do. So that is my conclusion, having tried this hack. Like I say, if you've had any other experiences, please prove me wrong. Please show me what I was doing wrong or going wrong when I tried it. But as far as I can see, it seems to be fairly clear cut that it's not perhaps what it's being made out to be. We'll see. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I would love you to subscribe. I post lots of regular content about home hacks and DIY and renovation and all that kind of stuff. So I would love to have you as a subscriber. Do come back very soon. But that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.